What's up, everyone? So today we've got 4 house washes on the books. It's going to be a beautiful day for it. I want to kind of take you around and show you what we've got going on the first one, and then we'll kind of hopefully show you some shots throughout the day so you guys can wash some houses with us. All right, so we got our hoses ran already. We got a good sized home here to start it off with. We got Brody doing some property protection, making sure we're keeping everything safe around your home. And you can see we've got some dirty siding. Again, it goes up probably 40 foot or so. We'll be able to hit all this from the ground. Won't need to use ladders. It's a nice thing about the equipment that we have is we can reach basically 4 stories and under, given the wind and everything, on a calm day from the ground. So another big side here, lots of siding. Just got the normal, mildew and algae growth starting. Want to take care of it before it gets too bad. You can see it a little bit going there. And then of course, anytime you have any overhangs like this, you're going to get a lot of dirt just trapped underneath it. Nice mildew there. Of course, things that we notice when we're doing our pre-job walk around, we got TVs up, speakers, things like that we want to clean around, but obviously not throw a bunch of water and soap and stuff on. So this house has a few intricate cutouts here. We'll hit that no problem up there from the deck. It's a good job to start out the day. Up here, again, nothing really that's too in the way, prevent us from getting to cleaning the siding or the brick at all. All right, well, we'll check back in as we're washing, show you guys some action shots, and bring you along for the day. Thanks. Bye. Go on. All right, so we got everything soaked up. You can pretty much see that most of all the grime and stuff has already disappeared off the siding. And now we're just rinsing, and we always rinse top down. We soap from the bottom up. So you can see with our equipment, we can easily reach the top of this. No problem whatsoever getting up there. Nice low pressure, just cascading rinse down, cleaning up whatever may be left on the siding from that dirt and grime. Nice and gentle rinse. And then when we get to the bottom, we can just switch our tips to a wider fan tip that we have here. And then we just rinse down, whatever may be down here. Nice and easy. Super low pressure. Not using high pressure, blasting siding, putting holes in siding around windows, anything like that. Very gentle for the home, very efficient, clean, very safe. Okay. We got Brody washing on our final house for the day. We might do a bonus job later, but we're also doing the windows on this. We're rocking with the Zero screen cleaner. Show you guys how that works, cleaning these screens here. And our Zero Pure for our water-fed pole that we've got set out here. Washing all these windows after we come through with our house wash. Our house wash does a great job of removing any bird poop and dust and dirt that may be on the windows. And then we have the option to come through with the spot-free rinse at the end as an additional service too, to really make those windows pop and shine. Really great for that spring clean, getting everything nice and clean, ready for summer. And hopefully this year having gatherings again. So we'll show you that screen cleaner in action when we've got it rolling. See ya. Here is the Zero screen cleaner in action. So we run it through. Rotate it. Boom. Same screen.